this point, we'll do the exchange of vows. Autumn and Gino, I would now invite you to publicly speak your commitment to your partner. Autumn, would you like to begin?
That's good. You can just leave it.
A few months after we met, I remember thinking, am I going to marry this man? There's no way he can be this kind, loving, thoughtful, funny, and handy. But you are. There wasn't one exact moment, but rather many small moments that helped me know that you were the one. You're my future. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to be within earshot of your laughter. I want to wake up each morning beside you, and I want to be able to watch you live life every day. To see that quiet yet driven confidence that encompasses every part of your being. Since we've met, you've guided me in being a better woman and a better partner. You have given me confidence to be exactly who I am as a person and as a woman, as an individual and as a professional. You are what I've always been seeking, not just for all that you are, but for all you helped me find within myself. I had always felt a little adrift in the world, and while I can occasionally be uncertain of my purpose, I am not of my vows to you. You support me even when I sometimes can't support myself. You understand me and my feelings most of the time. And you know exactly how to handle the situation. You're the perfect man for me. The balance between each of our personalities make for a very excellent team. You are my partner. You are the gravity that brings me back when I need to be grounded, and you are the air that helps me breathe when the pressure gets to be too much. You are the best man that I have ever met, and I can't believe I'm lucky enough to leave here as your wife. Today and every day, I hope to equal your love and faith in me, and to repay the universe for helping me find you. I vow as your wife to always support your dreams, even the one about the house with the water wheel. I vow to join my life to yours today, not merely as your spouse, but as your best friend, the one, my one. I promise to be the shoulder you lean on, the rock which you rest, and your companion throughout life. I pledge to be true to you, respect you, and grow with you throughout the years. With you, I walk my path and live our dreams. I'm so excited about our future and all that we will plan for our lives. You make me happier than I ever thought was possible. Thank you for choosing me day after day. I like you and I love you.
That was beautiful.
I gotta follow that. All right.
Your turn.
All right. Autumn. I often think about how we met, and I can't help reflect on how incredibly lucky I am to have you in my life. I have never before been so fortunate to have someone like you. I almost don't remember how I even functioned to have someone with you in my life. You're the most important person in my life, and you mean everything to me. You're the first person I want to see in the morning, the one that's on my mind all day, and the last one I want to see before I go to bed. As your husband, I promise to always be there for you, to always strive to be a better man than I was the day before, and to simply love you unconditionally. I can't wait to see where our marriage takes us and what it will bring us. I look forward to spending the rest of my life to you, my best friend. Ratatouille Hurricane.
Beautiful. Now, Gino, will you take Autumn's ring? And as you place it on her finger, hold her hand and repeat after me.
All
Okay?
right.
I, Gino, give you, Autumn, this ring as a symbol of my love.
I, Gino, give you, Autumn, this ring as a symbol of my love.
As I place it on your finger,
As I place it on your finger,
you can put it on her finger. There. I commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I give you all that I am
I give you all that I am
and accept all that you are.
and accept all that you are.
Autumn, will you take Gino's ring? And as you place it on his finger, hold his hand and repeat after me. I, Autumn, give Gino this ring as a symbol of my love.
I, Autumn, give you, Gino, this ring as a symbol of my love.
As I place it on your finger,
As I place it on your finger,
I commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I give you all that I am
I give you all that I am
and accept all that you are.
and accept all that you are.
All right. Family and friends, by the power vested in me, by the state of Maryland, and some website that says I'm a minister, I am pleased to announce Gino and Autumn as husband and wife.